Hello, my name is Amanda DeGusto, co-owner of a Valley of Vitality Wellness Studio. Deep healing and relaxation await you at a Valley of Vitality. From the moment you enter our wellness studio, the setting is serene and calm, with soothing Asian decor and spa music. We offer an impressive blend of options and services with an emphasis on all natural products. Prepare to be nurtured, invigorated, and restored vitality. Our team is dedicated to helping people move out of pain and live full, healthy lives, and we offer a CBD oil massage that helps alleviate pain and discomfort. All our massage therapists have met our quality hiring standards and are truly passionate about what they do. If you're looking for ultimate relaxation and a healthier you've come to the right place. We are your destination for rejuvenation. For more information, visit our website at avalleyofvitality.com or call us at 928-442-6026. Thanks, and we are your destination for rejuvenation, and we look forward to seeing you.
It's Peter Medall, Associate Broker with My Home Group Real Estate. Thanks for visiting our video today on the fourth quarter Real Estate Economic Development Report for Prescott and the Quad Cities area. Let's get right into the data. Arizona GDP, the gross domestic product for Arizona for 2020, according to the Phoenix Business Journal, Arizona ranked third best in the nation at minus 0.9%. Thanks, COVID. A far cry from the National Association of Realtors economic prediction of minus 6%. A U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Prescott Market Statistical Area. November unemployment was 6.8%. January 2021 forecast was 5.9%. So we're still improving. We're still a little off. It was about 4.5% pre-COVID. What we're finding out is a lot of the folks are staying home and they're collecting their COVID checks as opposed to going out into the workforce, mainly in the restaurant and hospitality industries. National housing starts going back to 2000. If you look at the chart over here, you will see that we have been anemic going back to 2006, just before the real estate market crash had occurred. And that is the cause for massive drop in supply in housing throughout the entire United States. If you look at this chart over here, you'll see that we're probably 800,000 homes annually that we need to catch up on throughout the nation. April 2020 COVID crash, housing starts were down to about 934,000 units. We regained that loss going into July at 1,487,000 units. Residential building permits for Prescott is up 13% year over year from 2019 to 2020. And this is interesting, commercial building permits. And I think this is also for tenant improvements on build outs and commercial space as well. But we're up 500% for commercial building permits. But we, in 2019, we're at 1,498 in residential, 1,690 for 2020. So we're seeing a strong growth in the marketplace for residential construction. Next up is the Prescott Area Opportunity Zones. These are federally mandated areas where if you invest to buy, build, renovate commercial properties, generally speaking, or residential income property, and you hold the asset for 10 years, you can sell that asset after 10 years for capital gains tax free. And the Opportunity Zone area is basically Gurley Street on the south, the Indian Reservation on the north, Willow Creek on the west, and Highway 89 on the east. All right, next up is the airport. Last week, we just had our ribbon cutting for the brand new terminal. The brand new terminal is absolutely beautiful. We have 2 airlines flying in and out of PRC. We are the nation's 40th busiest airport. Arizona, we are the number 5 busiest airport. Home to the United States Forest Service tanker base. Pretty much any forest fire that occurs within about a 250-mile radius out of Prescott, those tankers are coming right out of PRC. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, their flight training center is based out of PRC, and there are over 355 private-based aircraft out of our airport. Right now, you can catch dailies twice daily going out of Prescott to Los Angeles, and then to Denver, and then from there, wherever United flies. And then we are also seeing a new airline going in and back and forth to Phoenix. And we're hoping to have other destinations being added through United, or maybe another carrier somewhere, Texas or a Bay Area city into California. John Heine, Economic Development Director for City of Prescott. They have a very kick-ass approach when it comes to bringing in high tech. Their focus is to bring in cybersecurity, aerospace, defense, aviation, higher education, medical, light manufacturing, retail, and well, tourism is just kind of the back burner, but we still are a tourist type town. Projects underway right now. Banner Hospital is building a campus off of Willow Lake Road. CP Technologies is a computer manufacturing and drone manufacturing company. They are building a 50,000 square foot campus here and have relocated here from Southern California. Trinity Christian School has a 17-acre facility that's under construction. There's currently a 1-year wait list to get into Trinity. With the new advent of the new campus that they're constructing, that will hopefully take a little bit of that burden off of that wait list. YRMC is building their third campus off of Highway 89, just north of the airport. Westwood by Dorn Homes is the latest new residential development that is rolled out, I believe, in January, February, and that is in Deepwell Ranch. 2051 Willow is a brand new luxury apartment that is being constructed off of Willow Lake Parkway and Highway 89. And then Stringfield Ranch. Stringfield Ranch is a newer residential community. I believe there's going to be about 300 homes there. They are selling the lots. I think the lots are between a half acre and 2 acres. And again, I think it's 260 to 350 homes planned over there. It's still in the planning stages. Other major developments that we have on the horizon, of course, we've got Whispering Rock. That's the Banner Hospital facility. Willow Creek Apartments just recently went online in 2020. Creekview is another one. Hilton Garden Inn is now open. And unemployment. So Yavapai County unemployment for March 2021 was at 5.9%. Again, a lot of the restaurants and hospitality industry are having problems gaining employees. They don't want to work. So I think once we see COVID sunset behind us, we're going to start seeing those folks go back to work and watch our unemployment figures drop. James Deepwell Ranch. So the area in purple is the area where that is phase 1 for Deepwell Ranch. That's about 1,800 acres, and that's the area in and around the airport. The entire master plan for Deepwell Ranch extends all the way north into Chino Valley. There is 8,800 units planned there with an urban entertainment mixed-use regional center, and that is bounded by Pioneer Parkway to the south, between Willow Lake Road on the west and Highway 89 to the east. All right, next up, the Dells. The Dells has got 15 phases. They're in phase 1 right now. I believe Mandalay is a little past 50% on their sales over there. Not sure about Jasper. Capstone Homes is the other builder in Jasper. And then up in Chino Valley, Brown Homes is developing Heritage Point. Those are coming soon. That is currently, they're moving around all of the dirt out there. We're looking forward to seeing what Heritage Point has to offer. And as well as infill. We see a lot of infill going on throughout the entire Prescott community. It doesn't matter if it's in Prescott Lakes, the Ranch at Prescott, Yavapai Hills, pretty much any master plan community has a lot of lots still left. And we're seeing a lot of spec builders and custom builders going in and doing some build-a-suit or custom homes in those areas. The Dells is, we're in phase 3 of the Dells. Mandalay, Carrington, Dorn, as well as a lot of semi-custom builders are branching out into the brown blob areas for over into the Dells. Jasper, the master plan over there, we're talking 1,200 acres, 2,600 planned units. We're in phase 1 of 15 total phases. There is a nice little appreciation play there if you're looking to get into doing something for new construction over in Jasper. All right, next up, new multifamily residential developments. Park Place at Talking Glass is currently under construction. That's on the corner of Glassford Hill and Long Look. Creekview Village Apartments in Prescott, that's 72 units. They are now open. 2051 Willow, talked on that briefly. They're currently under construction. That should be coming soon, and those are luxury units with views over to Willow Lake. And then finally, 1257 White Spar in Prescott. There's 38 luxury units that are being built and developed over there right now. All right, next up, Yavapai County tends to follow whatever is happening in Maricopa County. So you look no further than the big ship at Maricopa County, and you can see data. Arizona Regional MLS sales data from December 8th, 2019 to December 8th, 2020. Active homes for sale is down 48%. Median home sale prices are up 16.5%. December home sales up 25%. And inventory is at a 1.3 months supply of homes. It should be interesting to note it's currently April 2021, and that figure is more like 0.8 now for supply of homes. All right, Quad Cities. So Quad Cities, I call Prescott, Prescott Valley, Chino Valley, Dewey, Humboldt, and then I've added Paulden and Mayer as a part of that market statistical area. And what we are seeing right now is there's 297 active homes for sale. This time last year, there was about 387, 553 pending units for sale. There was 707 pending units for sale in third quarter 2020. And in 2020, we had 4,448 units sold, which is an uptick of 9.8% over 2019. Basically an extra 397 residential units had sold. Breakdown on sales. Cash sales amounted to 34% of all sales. That's an uptick from 28% in 2019. So that's a strong, vibrant market. And FHA VA sales are at 16%. They're down 1 point from 2019 at 17%. And then conventional sales, conventional financed mortgaged sales are at 54%, and that is a slight uptick from 2019 at 53%. Market pricing, we're seeing the up to $250,000 price point is 21% of the market. $250,000 to $350,000 is 30% of the market, which is down from 32% in 2019. So that segment of homes is starting to tighten up. Same with the $350,000 to $500,000 price point. We are 25% of the sales were in that price point, down from 26% in 2019. And $500,000 to $750,000 is at 18%. That's the same as in 2019. And then here's an interesting tick. Everything above $750,000 now equates for 5.5% of the market. That was just 3% in 2019. So we're seeing a lot more higher end homes selling and being built in our marketplace. Home sales for the quads. Basically in 2019, the average price point was $350,000. In 2020, the average was $393,000. So that's a 12.3% year over year price uptick. Our market time pretty much stayed the same. We were 65 days on market in 2019, 64 days in 2020. The list price to sales price ratio had a nice little uptick, 97.84% in 2019 and 98.4% in 2020. So 12.3% year over year price appreciation in 2020 is the final figure for the quads. Our current market absorption rate is 0.8 months supply of homes. Our churn rate, we sell on average about 370 homes per month in the Prescott area. Active inventory, $277 a square foot. A lot of the new inventory is built to suit or new construction. Pending sales we see is at $218. In 2018, homes sold average price per square foot was $178. 2019 we saw $183, and then 2020 we're right at $200. So we are having a nice healthy market over here. Active days on market for active homes for sale is 67. Pendings are 37. So what that tells us is that some of the ones that are sitting on the market are a little overpriced. And in 2020, again, the days on market was 64, down from 65 in 2019. Land, 884 active listings in our MLS right now in the quads, 218 land pending. 1131 sold in 2020 In 2019, there was 869. So we had a 30% increase in land sale volume year over year. Average list price stayed about the same. We're at $93,000 is the average piece of dirt for sale. Average selling price went up $1,000 to $86,000 from $85,000 in 2019. List price to sales price ratio for land is at 91%. Average days on market is 369, and we had a 1% price appreciation for land in 2020. I'm Peter Medal. That was the fourth quarter real estate market review for 2020. Hope you enjoyed our information there. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. You can reach us on our office number at 928-597-5151. We help make people Prescott their hometown.